I'm at Douglas Falls. Like all the falls, there's just a lot of water coming down, but it's not that big. This is a creek here in Washington State. It is just absolutely beautiful though. You can slip and slide, do a slip slide. All of the water's gushy. There's always a cave when you get to a waterfall. Looks like somebody built that dam. I don't know how long this fall's been here because some of these rocks just look too rigid. Here we go on the rabbit trail. I made my way down to the base of the waterfall. It is really nice. No matter which way you look at it, Douglas Falls is just an absolutely beautiful waterfall. It's like a water slide that you can just slide down. You can play because after you slide down, then you just be right here in the pond. I don't know whether it'd be safe or not to slide down, but probably not, but it looks super fun anyways. And I'm sure the rocks are really slippery when wet, and they're like always wet. And so you can just slip right down. Somebody left this steppy stone bridge right here. Take one step at a time. We could do this. We could bounce from one log to another. So good.
Tonight I'm without you, but the stars are shining bright. To the falls I cannot resist the feeling inside. At twilight I leave stars twinkle in my eyes. I'm alone but I still carry on, my mind set on the prize. Whoa, 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 whoa.
That is really nice.
Beneath the ground I hear the sound of springs flowing with life. So many trees are in my way, bracing branches treading through.
I'm coming up here on Sheep Creek Falls. I can hear the creek, and I can see some water right through the cracks of the trees. At least from here, it seems like it's a little bit bigger than I thought it was. Maybe I didn't quite see it well enough from the viewing spot. I don't know, this is getting exciting. I can just tell that it's coming straight down through here. It feels super crisp out, super clear. I'm having a good time. It is really nice.
Get there just in time.
Sheep Creek Falls. Many people will come here because that trail is like
shining bows of colors filling my eyes. I'm amazed by the waterfall flowing in, I cannot restrain.
That is just so nice.
My clothes are drenched over my head, the falls pour down like rain.
I got right up to the waterfall. It is just so pretty, and I'm like in astonishment of just like this amazing find. It really is a gem. It's right in the middle of this forest, so close to Canada. We weren't sure if we should come to this one just because it didn't really look like there was any way to get to it, but I'm so glad we did because it looks like just a perfect place to swim, and it's just a great place to just like really hang out and just have a really great time. So I really like it. I just think this is so cool. I'm having oh yeah. So good. It is so pretty out here. It is just so beautiful everywhere. And this is the Columbia River, way up by Canada. It's just all over. It's just beautiful all over. Wow. It's so still. There's nothing. It's just so still. And there is just nothing. I don't hear anything. I hear a duck. But it is so quiet and so pretty and it's so peaceful. Wow. That is like a baby falls. It is nice to listen to the water sound, and it is a very pretty area. I can just sit here and listen to the sound of the water, and I bet all my stress would just go. Just look at all that moss on the rocks. It's beautiful green. I just love it. This place is just filled with so much life. It is so gorgeous. Crystal, beautiful, nice green mossy rocks. So much life. I love it. I just love it. There's so much water coming through here. It is really peaceful here. This is a good recommendation if you're just passing through Kettle Falls and looking for a waterfall.